What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Trill. Yogi Cobbler this time. Got another unboxing. My favorite new brand, Clearweather brand. Straight from UPS, you know what I'm saying? So let's do the unsheathing of the knife. RP to my uncle. One of the last things that I was given from him. This was made in, I don't know, original Bowie knife, but let's get to it. Yes, sir. Inside. Yeah. Dog food. UPS. Different color box than the last box we had. Same. I like the red. Less corporate, more independent. Very much so me. God bless it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. Ooh, they been hard, boy. Yes, sir. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Alright. Let me just put this aside. Let me get the other one out. Modeling. I always like modeling the left foot. I don't know why that is. But as you can see, got the White Snake Interceptors. So beautiful. Off-whitish grayish. What color did they get for this? Just gonna go all off-whitish. Very beautiful aesthetic, you know what I'm saying? And from the last unboxing that I did, you know, these are the same shoes, just in white, more comfortable. But I do like is insole is pinkish. I'm guessing that's for just to make sure it doesn't get dirty. But I'm a cobbler, I can clean that shit. But nonetheless, you know. And on the last one, I got somebody commented saying, try it on. It'll be my first time doing these, y'all, so bear with me. So I'm gonna try it on. You feel me? Let's see where we at with it. This is a 10.5. I should have got an 11. I wanted to get an 11, but I slept and waited 12 hours. I should have known them damn things was gonna be gone, but it is what it is. We here now. Yeah, fit pretty much the same like before. Slightly snug in the front, but that's what I get for waiting. As you can see, very nice. Always comfortable, light on the feet, you know what I'm saying? You see the traction on here as well. Very wide. When I get rocks in, easy to pop out. No issues with that, none of that. Fits great. Put both of them on. Gotta excuse my socks and my wardrobe slightly off because it's almost midnight right now. I woke up at like 9 random ass mid-evening naps. Working for your boy though, but here we are. Great feel, graze toe. It's a nice texture to it. These are it. And these are it. In a plethora of ways. You feel? Again, again, shout out to the Clearweather brand, new favorite sneaker brand. Hopefully be doing stuff with them eventually in the future. Check that manifestation note. Yeah, if you're interested in the hoodie, shout out to my frat brother Taj and Archie, you know what I'm saying, Brims. They're a fedora, luxury fedora brand. They're based out of Atlanta, but check them out, www.wearbrims.com. Check the back. And all the different swatches of the different type of fedoras that they've done. Read them and weep. Well, read and weep. They've done hats for, you can check out Mookie Betts' engagement on IG. He tagged on the Wear Brims, said the entertainer, Eva, is her last name Pickford now? I can't remember. Yeah, a plethora of other different celebrities and stuff like that, but they're high-end fedora brand. Check them out. But yeah. Oh yeah, definitely gonna have to make sure these stay clean. You feel me? But shout out to these Interceptors by Clearweather brand. Definitely gonna be busting these out in the spring. Probably busting them out now because I can. But yeah, much love. It's your boy Trill. Stay that way.